What is going on, guys? It's the Card Trick Guy, and I'm going to show you an insane card trick with a really, really cool ending. So let's just jump right into it. We're going to try to find the 4 aces in the deck, wherever they could be, and we're going to actually use the number 14 to help us. So I want you to just pick 3 cards right here. Alright, this one, and these 2. Alright, that's fine. So what I mean by we're going to use the number 14 is we're just going to count up from your cards to the number 14 3 times, once for each card. So we have the 10 of hearts here, the 5 of spades, and actually we have the jack of hearts. So which card do you want to start with? The 5 of spades? Alrighty. So we're just going to take, and I just wanted to make sure that you want to start with the 5 of spades. You do? Okay. So we're just going to take that pack over here, and we're just going to count from 5 to 14. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we're just going to take this and place the 5 on top and the deck on top, just like that. So now we have 2 remaining cards, the jack of hearts and the 10 of hearts. Let's say they want to go with the jack. That's fine. The jack's worth 11. So it goes 10, jack is 11, queen is 12, king is 13. So jack is 11, so 12, 13, 14. Jack goes on top of here, and the deck goes on top just like that. Now, all that's left is the 10, and we can go like this. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 goes on top, deck goes on top, just like that. And now, we have 3 face-up cards in the deck, which obviously were your 3 chosen cards. The 5 of spades, we got the jack of hearts right here, and we got the 10 of hearts right here. So, you'll notice something, because each of the pairs of the card, each card that pairs with the cards that you chose and you put in the deck based on the number 14 are all the aces. Now, that could just be luck, right? That could just be some stupid luck, some crazy chance.
Hey pal, you just blowing from Stupid Town?
But what I'm going to do is we're actually missing one ace here, the ace of spades, the most important ace. So we're just going to add up all the values of the cards that you randomly selected. So 11 plus 10 is 21, plus 5 is 26. So all we're going to do is count 26 cards from the bottom. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and the 25th card was the 10 of diamonds. The 27th card was the 2 of hearts, but the 26th card was the ace of spades. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that trick. Now, let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so for the tutorial, we just need a little bit of a setup. So what the secret setup is we can take any 2 of the aces and put them at the top, just like this. Take another ace and put it at the bottom. And I like to save the ace of spades for last because it has a kicker ending, right? And you put the ace of spades 8th from the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the ace of spades goes right in there, just like that. So then they can pick any 3 cards. There's no force required. So let's just say it's these 3 cards right here. The 8 of spades, the 3 of clubs, and the 7 of diamonds. Now what you're going to do is as they're choosing which card to go first, you're going to slide off this card and get a little pinky break under here, just like that. So now there's a pinky break under this top card. Then let's say they choose the 8. You say great. You place this whole pack on top of the deck, and then you take this ace along with you and you place it off to the side. Then you count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You take the pack, place it on top of the deck, place the 8 in the deck. From there, it's pretty much self-working. So you just take these cards. Let's say they want to go with the 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 3 goes on top, and the deck goes on top of that. And then the 7 is next, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 7, and then the deck. So now you can go through and say, okay, it's all based on the correlation of 14, when in reality, you're just putting the aces on top of all the cards. So you can show them now that each one of the cards that they're paired with was an ace, but there's still one ace missing. All you have to do is add up their values. So in this case, it would be 18, and you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then the 18th card is the ace of spades. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope that you really enjoyed this card trick. I promise you, it'll astonish everybody who you show it to. Yeah, this has been the Card Trick Guy showing you a great card trick. Peace out.